English for Lao Secondary Schools Book 1. Unit 4. Numbers. Lesson 1. Numbers 1 to 12. In this lesson, students learn the numbers 1 to 12. Exercise 1. Vocabulary. Read and remember the meaning of the following words and expressions.
Back again. Buckle. Equal. Gate. Knock. Lock. Minus. Pick up. Plus. Stick.
Exercise 2. Listen and repeat. Listen to the numbers 1 to 12 and repeat after the teacher.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Exercise 3. Say and point. Say and point to the numbers 1 to 12. Example. Student A says, number 7. Student B points to 7. Exercise 4. Listen and write. Listen to the teacher and write the numbers you hear. Exercise 5. Complete. Complete the words with right vowels. Exercise 6. Point and write. Example. Student A points to picture 1. Student B writes the word 4. Exercise 7. Games. Bingo game. Students follow and tick the numbers reading by the teacher till getting the winner. Exercise 8. Say and write. Plus, minus, equal. Complete these sums with your partner. Now say and write. Work in pairs. Example. Student A says, 8 plus 4 equals 12. Student B writes 8 plus 4 equals 12. Student B says, 12 minus 5 equals 7. Student A writes 12 minus 5 equals 7. Exercise 9. Write and say. Write the following numbers and words. Example. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Exercise 10. Let's chant. Listen and repeat after the teacher. Exercise 11. Grammar note. Capital letters. In English, we use capital letters when we start the sentences or specific names such as names of people, roads, countries, districts, or after comma. Example.
Her name is Vikander. She is from Laos. She is a nurse.
Exercise 12. Look and write. Rewrite the following passage. Write with capital letters where necessary. Lesson 2. This is a pin. These are pins. This lesson students learn how to use this, that, these, those. Exercise 1. Vocabulary. Read and remember the meaning of the following words and expressions.
Banana, boy, box, bus, cat, drinks, girl, those, this, that, these, cassette.
Exercise 2. Look and say. Read sentences after the teacher.
What is this? This is a book. It is a book. What are these? These are books. They are books. What is this? This is a pen. It is a pen. What are these? These are pens. They are pens.
Exercise 3. Say and write. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Example.
This is a pencil. These are pencils.
Exercise 4. Look and say. Look at the pictures and read to your classmates. Exercise 5. Say and write. Use the pictures in Exercise 6 to complete the sentences. Exercise 6. Point and say. Example. Student A points to picture 5. Student B says those are bananas. Student B points to picture 3. Student A says that's a television. Exercise 7. Grammar note. Singular.
This is a table. This is a book. This is a bag. This is a bird. This is a door. That is a table. That is a book. That is a bag. That is a bird. That is a door.
Plural.
These are tables. These are books. These are bags. These are birds. These are pens. Those are tables. Those are books. Those are bags. Those are birds. Those are pens.
Grammar summary. Singular.
One bag. One car. One cat. One pen. One door. This is a box. This is a girl.
Plural.
2 bags. 3 cars. 5 cats. 7 pens. 2 doors. These are boxes. Those are girls.
Note. Add es to the nouns ending with s. X, ch, sh when plural nouns. Example.
Box, boxes. Dish, dishes.
Add s for plural nouns that ending with vowels and other consonants, such as d, g, b, e. Example.
Dog, dogs. Book, books. Temple, temples. Boy, boys.
Exercise 8. Look and write. Write these words in plural. Example.
Book, books.
Lesson 3. How many? In this lesson, students learn to use there is, there are, in simple statements, and question, how many? Exercise 1. Vocabulary. Read and remember the meaning of the following words and expressions.
Cup, draw, hotel. How many? House, shop, temple. There is, there are. Vase, village, bag.
Exercise 2. Listen and repeat. Read the words above after the teacher.
Cup, draw, hotel. How many? House, shop, temple. There is, there are. Vase, village, bag.
Look at the picture. Listen and repeat the sentences after the teacher.
There is one bag in the picture. There are 6 books in the picture. There are 5 cats in the picture. There are 9 pens in the picture. There are 3 cars in the picture. There is 1 box in the picture.
Exercise 3. Look and say. Look at the objects around the room and say in the classroom. Example.
There are 3 blackboards in the room.
False. There is 1 blackboard in the room.
There are 4 books on the table.
True. There are 4 books on the table.
Exercise 4. Ask and answer. Take turns to ask and answer questions about the pictures in the village. How many? Example.
How many houses are there in this village?
There are 6 houses.
Exercise 5. Listen and draw. Student A and B take turns to tell each other about the objects and draw. What is or are on the table? Example.
There are 2 pencils on the table.
Student B draws 2 pencils on the table. Exercise 6. Grammar note. Singular. Statements.
There is a book on the table. There is 1 door in the room.
Questions.
Is there a book on the table? Is there 1 door in the room?
Short answers.
Yes, there is. No, there isn't.
Plural. Statements.
There are 2 books on the table. There are 3 windows in the room.
Questions.
Are there 2 books on the table? Are there 3 windows in the room?
Short answers.
Yes, there are. No, there aren't.
Exercise 7. Read and answer. Read the passage and answer the questions.
My house is in Vientiane. There are 3 rooms in my house. In my bedroom, there are 2 windows and 1 door. There are 4 chairs and 1 table. There is a vase on the table. There are also 6 books and 2 pencils on the table.
Now answer the questions below. Exercise 8. Crossword. Exercise 9. Revision, Unit 1 to 4. A. Put am, is, are in the blanks. B. Answer the questions. Example.
Are you Lao?
Yes, I am.
That's end of Unit 4.